'Tis the season for committing to a healthier lifestyle. Don't worry, I'm not going to challenge you to run a 5K with me or anything like that. I probably couldn't run the 5K anyways, but sometimes when I've got my granddaughter here, it feels like I've ran the 5K. Anyways, all the goal settings got me thinking, what if future sellers like you made very simple commitments to themselves? Hey, I'm Annette Marble, your favorite key real estate agent in and around Central Ohio. Okay, not because you're not content with where you live, but because you want to invest in yourself and in your home so that you're in the best shape when it comes to selling your home whenever you are ready. Just like you actually have to work out constantly to see results from the gym membership, you have to care for your home in order to maximize your ROI, your return on investment. Your home is the largest asset, and just like working out and routines keep you strong and healthy, keeping that maintenance increases your home value. Think of your daily walk like a daily upkeep on your home, keeping it tidy, dusting and sweeping, and addressing minor repairs. I know I need to practice what I preach. And just like that, there's more than one way to stay in shape. There's more than one way to decorate your home. You can choose yoga, a program like Beachbody, running, if that's what your thing is, or try a few things until you find what you really like and express yourself throughout that through paint colors, cosmetic fixtures, and so on. This habit will not only make your house feel like a home, but you're going to love where you live, and potential buyers would love that space just as well. And of course, no exercise plan is complete without addressing your diet. What you need to do is consume the fuel, which wears us down. It always is important to consume information that's going to help us make healthy choices. This is why working with an agent like me is so important. A dietitian isn't going to give you everyday clients that same exact plan, and neither will I. Every seller in every situation is all different. Providing custom selling plans for each client is what we do best, and helping them make as much money as possible on their home. If you're planning on selling in the next year or two, DM me. All you have to do is DM me sellers for your free home seller bootcamp guide. I'll coach you through every step of the way. And always, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.